It's like a mile visibility right now. The Tri-City area. And yeah, it's pretty bad. What do you think? Same thing happened to us last year. I think it was a little worse last year, but I'm glad we made it out because I was going to wait another half hour before we left. And then another family was leaving and we were like, okay, it's getting a little rough. Let's go. This is supposed to stick, and they said like a couple of inches maybe having to shovel, but hopefully it won't really stick. But I do see it sticking in some spots. You do too, right? This is what happens when you're on a Saturday, you're weekend off, and you have to go to a wrestling tourney.
To watch them lose, huh?
It's your girl. Okay. So, you know, a long day. I woke up at 1:46. I was supposed to get my son at the school by 6:15 so that he could go to the wrestling meet. I went to bed around, I think, 10:30. And so I ended up waking up at like 1:46, stayed up because I knew if I went back to bed, he was not making it to the tournament. The tournament was an hour away, and then I would have had to drive him myself, so that wasn't going to happen. Even though I was going,
Don't stay
but
too
still.
close. I want salt in my car.
You know, I still wasn't going to put him in the position of having to drive him, you know, when all the rest of the team was there. So anyway, so the day before, Don got this really great deal of reed fencing, which if you've looked at my previous videos, you've seen that we've actually put it up and it looks really great. I don't know if I have shared that video. I have to check. But
this is a big one, look.
Oh, that's huge.
Look
But
how fat that one is.
yeah, if you look at my other videos, I did post that we put up the other fencing and it came out really nice. It's really pretty. And so now it's gone on clearance at the Home Depot for $9. That's really nice. $9.49.
See how big they are, though? These are the one I want. This is
so
8 feet tall, long, 6 feet tall.
Oh, okay. So while we were in Lapeer,
$104. That's good.
And our son, he didn't make it to the quarterfinals, so we went and got a coffee, went to Home Depot, and found the reed fencing at the Lapeer Home Depot, but it was really like widely spread apart, which wouldn't have worked. So we ended up not getting it. And so then we went to the Gratiot store to try to get it there, but they were out. Called Bay City, they were out. And so now we're heading to Flushing, which is basically doubling back where I was because we were there, but I had to take my son home because he was tired after the meet, so I couldn't stop in Flushing on the way there. So now here we are with salt trucks.
Wow. That's the one I got at home.
Okay.
$34.
So now I'm in front of the salt truck. Huh?
I paid $120 for mine.
Oh wow, when you got $34 on Temu. So now I have to make the 40-minute trek back out to Flushing. I mean, the snow's definitely eased down a little bit, but it's like slushy, like 7-Eleven slushy. Okay, so we'll see. We called and they said that it's there, so we're going. I'll let you know when we get there. Okay, so we're here. And we got them. This is it. $9.49, normally $37.97. Okay. So definitely a deal. Sorry. Of like 26 bucks. Go cop it. All right. It's another one, another clearance deal at the Home Depot.